Hi, this is Sandra Henry Stocker, author of the Unix as a Second Language blog on Network World. In this Linux tip, we're going to look at the block ID command. It gives us a very useful view of block devices on our systems. And here's an example. Just type block ID. And you can see I have a lot of detail here on the system. I can see the partitions. I can see labels. I can see these 128-bit identifiers called UUIDs. So that's all in here. You can see them, okay, right there. We can also see the file system types. So we have some that are ext4, and we have this, which is a BTRFS, which is a new, very efficient self-healing file system. And if we want to see more, we can always use the df-k command to see where each one of those file systems is mounted on the system. So SDA2 is the root device over here. SDA1 is our boot partition. SDB1 is home. Well, that is your Linux tip for the block ID command. If you have questions or would like to suggest a topic, please add a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the IDG Tech Talk channel on YouTube. If you like this video, please hit the like and share buttons. For more Linux tips, be sure to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and networkworld.com.